केंद्रीय विद्यालय, तुम्हारा केंद्रीय विद्यालय।
Selflessly, towards making India, a strong and prosperous nation. We shall discharge our duties consciously to take our country to greater heights of sparkling achievements. We pledge to among our countrymen through our services and actions. On this KVS Foundation Day, today we commit ourselves with dedication and devotion towards the betterment and development of our country. Foundation Day of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. With the latest expansion granted by the Cabinet, we will be soon touching the number called as 1300. 1300 schools running under a single scheme of studies with around 12 lakh stakeholders in the form of students and teachers, run by a single book called by the name Education Code and Accounts Code. It is indeed a splendid achievement in itself. To the eyes of the people, and you can address them. These qualities are imbibed through these activities.
Scout clap, go!
So,